This was the actual first startup that I did of this thing on Saturday, October 12th. So today is the last day, so this is the first day of heating season / last day of cooling season. This was on the morning of the last startup shutdown of the year of the Bryant. This is on the morning of the last cooling mode video of the Bryant. It's so weird how I'm switching. Yeah, this is Saturday, October 12th is transition day, so yeah. This video is posted. I know I'm starting pretty late. It's like the 20th. I know it's like the 20th, so pretty late start, but yeah, it's been a little bit warmer for some reason. Kept just going into just keep continuing it on. Whoa. Kind of vibrating a little bit. It's all nice and warm. We'll feel all the vents now. I just want to take a look at this. Got your reducer right here. Very hot vent pipe that I burned my ear on one time. May of 2012, and it's a 2.5 ton. You get your filter. I'm not taking that out because it's potentially a fire hazard if dust gets caught in the blower and blows it up into the furnace. So yeah, I'm gonna put this panel on for now. Which, I don't know why it's sometimes really awkward. But yeah, we're gonna feel the vents now. Vent right here. You can't really feel this one. There's a vent right here. Definitely smells like heat. It's really nice. Right here. Doing good. It's getting over here pretty well. These are on the same duct of downstairs and upstairs. Let's go upstairs. Upstairs we got the flare vent. Wow, that is really hot. I'm turning this. I'm making this a startup shutdown of the furnace, so. The most powerful vent in the house, the bathroom. The guest bathroom. That feels good. It doesn't feel good right now since I'm kind of hot, but I just wanted to do this in case, this is the first one of the year, and just in case someone else decided to turn it on. So yeah, there's one under the couch, but I can't get to that. So I'm just gonna feel under here. Oh yeah, that's very nice and warm. It's gonna get so hot under here, my God. I don't even see the point. I might even just have to close that one off. Over here in the back, got this one right here. This one feels very good. over by the back. It's the end unit, so. The other side, I thought this vent was very weak, but it's actually pretty powerful. It's because it comes up from the right, and so on the left, it doesn't really do much. And I never felt the right, so. I think I just heard it pop. Thermostat right there, I'll get into that later. There's a return right here, under the pop is on. Chair. Here. Okay. So, not a great idea to cover the vent. Made the curtain nice and hot, but get your office vent right here. The upstairs vents are more powerful for some reason. I'm not sure why. Yeah, there's the office vent where I work. Videos. My room vent next. My vent over here. Nice and powerful as well. I got a new vent cover if you didn't notice. Last year I had that old crappy one, but yeah, I got a new cover. I swapped it with a closet one. So yeah, bathroom next. Bathroom, also pretty powerful as well. And there are 3 more vents over there that I can't get to, so yeah, thermostat time. Also, there's a turn right here. That's the upstairs returns. Here's the thermostat for you guys. I just turned it there. I don't intend on keeping it that high. I'm gonna actually keep it at 76, but I just put it there just so I can keep it on for now. I don't keep it on like this because it'll make me, I might get really hot, so yeah. There's a return under here as well. But yeah, gas meter. I might not get the measurements of how much gas this thing's using because of all these plants, but oh wow, there's a lot of berries on this thing. I don't know if I can eat these or not. But, yeah. Got your information there, and then you got your measurements. Got your gas. One of these days we'll get to start up from the gas. It's actually very warm out. Not really cold at all. Something's going on over there. Here's the I'm gonna turn this thing on for the last time today. I'm gonna turn this thing on for the last time this year. Well, the last time I'm here. It might be turned on once tomorrow. It might actually run tomorrow, like the 13th, when I'm not here, but this weekend is the last weekend it's running. Which was last weekend, by the way, as of when the video was uploaded. You guys saw that I turned it off for the final time, but you probably saw that last Sunday. But you probably saw that last week that Sunday was warm, so it might have come on then. I don't know. I'm talking future presents because I just know. I'm talking future presents because I know this video is going up after I do this. So, I'm just talking in future presents, guys. Don't ask why. I just had this. I just don't like when people just don't put it in, say their stuff in chronological order. Like of when you upload the video, because yeah, I get it in real time. It's different, but you know. So yeah, Yeah. I'm gonna turn off the unit now. Or yeah, the furnace is gonna be turned off now.